So for our last two examples here for the night, I want to make sure you write this extra note down, which is important when you're factoring. You want to make sure your polynomial is in standard form first, okay? So remember, that's from highest degree to lowest degree. When I look at the first example here, this is in standard form, 3, 2, 1, so that's okay. So now that it's in standard form, I see that I have a negative leading coefficient, so that means my GCF will be negative. My GCF is going to be negative 3x. So if I factor out a negative 3x, what's going to be left is 6x squared plus 5x plus 4. And remember, you can distribute back in to make sure you are correct. Now, number 2 here, you might be tempted to factor out a negative GCF, but it's not in standard form. First, in standard form, this polynomial becomes 10a to the 7th minus 8a squared. Now that I have it in standard form, my leading coefficient is positive, so my GCF will be positive. And that GCF is going to be 2a squared. So if I factor out a 2a squared, that leaves 5a to the 5th minus 4. So we want to make sure our polynomial is in standard form, and if our leading coefficient is negative, our GCF is negative.